What if I told you that this video is going to change your entire 2026? Most people make their vision board completely wrong. They slap on some random pictures and then they wonder why nothing is coming true. I was one of them too. I made a lot of mistakes, which I have clarified already. And today I'm going to make my 2026 vision board step by step with you all so that you do not commit the same mistakes that I did and waste another year. By the end of this video, you will have a vision board so powerful that you can't walk past it without feeling fired up. So grab your coffee, let's make 2026 your year. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope y'all are doing good. This video is going to be about the part 2 of the vision board series, wherein I am going to make my 2026 vision board step by step with you all, where you're going to see how I make my vision board every year. So if you haven't already watched the previous video, which is the part 1 of the vision board series, make sure that you go and watch that video first, because this video is obviously important, but the other one is more important from the vision board perspective, because in my last video I reviewed my 2025 vision board. I clarified all my mistakes that I made in the 2025 vision board, which made the vision board a little insignificant and which I realized as the year went by. So I have probably rectified all of them, and keeping those mistakes in mind, I started making my 2026 vision board. So you will be seeing all of that in this video, but please do make sure that you have watched that video already. Otherwise, making a vision board might be a blunder again this year. In this video, I am going to show you all of those things that I am keeping in mind before 2026 vision board comes to life. And today is what, 28th December, and I still have 3 days. Yeah, 3 days into 2026, and I have made my vision board. I tried to make it as perfect as possible, but we'll see. In this video, we are going to keep all those mistakes in mind, and we are going to make our 2026 vision board step by step, from how I sort everything, how I get the pictures, how I make the vision board with you all, so that it's easier for you to make the vision board as well. So this video is going to be about a vision board that is both powerful and aesthetic. So let's begin. The first step of making a vision board is to sort all the things that you want to come true in the year. Here are the list of all the things that I want to happen in the year 2026, and I've listed it all down in my notes app. Likewise, you'll have to do the same. Once you're done sorting out all of it, we will find all the pictures in Pinterest and we'll download them, and then we'll paste it in Canva. Now, this is the tedious process and the main process. So I'll show screen recording, and through that I hope it will be much more clear to you all, although it's not rocket science to make a vision board, but it is some people also struggle with that. So I think the screen recording will help you. So let's begin. Now, the first step, as I said, is to open Pinterest and type all the headings of the things that you have already noted down on your notes app. One by one, type them out, scroll down, and download all the pictures that are most similar to the things you have noted down, which I mean is the pictures that are the most similar to the dreams that you already have in your mind, or the picture that you already have in your mind. Now, once you're done downloading the pictures, import them in the Canva app and keep the 2026 picture at the center, and then arrange them however you want to. I have kept the most important things towards the center and the lesser important ones to next to that. You have complete creative freedom in this. Play with the pictures however you want, make them aesthetic, add quotes or stickers if you have enough space. I will not be discussing the vision board much, फिर next year content shortage हो जाएगी. And that was it for my vision board of 2026. That is how my vision board looks like. Now, the main part is, how is it going to work? Is it going to stay in our mobile phones forever? No, that's a huge mistake everyone does, and even I did the first time I made a vision board. So I'll make sure that I don't do it this time, which is why I've already made it my wallpaper. If you can see, let me show you. This is my tablet's wallpaper, and it's already on my wallpaper. Now I am also going to paste it on my mobile phone's wallpaper, and that is one way. But if you don't just want it to sit on your phone, because once you see it every day, you kind of ignore it. Your phone's wallpaper, how many times have you just looked at your wallpaper and admired it? Obviously you're not going to do that. So if you want it to be right in front of your eyes, make sure that you have a physical copy of it too, so that you see it, keep it on your workplace or wherever you want to, a place where you reflect on your thoughts so that it is always there in front of your eyes. You look at it, you work hard for it. I'll probably keep it on my study area, in my study area on the wall, somewhere like this, because there I am present there most of my times, and I look at the wall every time. So it is something that I will have right in front of my eyes all the time. Now, how to make a physical vision board? You just have to buy a canvas and paste the pictures. That is it. You already have a rubric of how you want, like how you want the things to look or come together. So you already have the inspo as your digital vision board, and just paste the picture accordingly. It's that easy. It's you don't have to brainstorm into it a lot. So this is exactly how I made my 2026 vision board. Now I'll have it on in front of my eyes, which is the way that works for me. If it doesn't work for you, that's all right. You do you. And I am also journaling from this year, so it will also be there in my journal. Only the most important things. So that is how I am visualizing everything that's there on my vision board. Make sure you do something that works the best for you. Identify it soon, and it's only 3 days into 2026, not even three. So hurry up, make your vision board fast. And also it's not like you'll have to hurry into the process. Don't do that. Take your time, think about everything that you want. I'm pretty sure you already have a list of the things that you want to have in 2026. Start working on your vision board, start making it, keeping in mind all those things that I said. And if you haven't already watched the previous video, the part 1, then make sure that you go and watch that video as well, because that is the most important video that will tell you about the mistakes and everything. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked the vision board series, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please drop your comments below. How can I improve my videos, and what all I can bring for you on my channel. And also please share this with your friends who are manifesting their dream life in 2026. I hope this helps them too. And if you haven't already made a vision board, and if your friends also haven't already made a vision board, then I hope this video is going to be useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, because I am going to bring a lot of more exciting videos for all of you. But now that is it. I'll meet you again in my next video. Thanks for watching.